Hello coders, I hope all of you are doing good. Don't get surprised by looking at the thumbnail. I am just going to have a weekend discussion about a very simple stuff, that is writing our first Python application in STS, Spring Toolsuite. It can be Eclipse, it can be STS, it can be any version also. If you are comfortable in Python with PyChamp or Visual Studio, then no worries, you can keep working on those IDs. If people who are comfortable in Eclipse, they also can continue working in Eclipse for Python development. So I am just going to introduce you the Python development in STS or Eclipse environment. It's a very simple stuff. You need not to have anything, only you need to have STS or Eclipse, whichever you are working with. Then you can do one thing. First you have to go for this help part of STS. I am using STS 4. You might be using Eclipse also, that doesn't matter. If you are using Eclipse 2012 or the earlier version, or you are using STS like me, both the cases you will be finding help, and under the help you will be finding Eclipse Marketplace. In the Eclipse Marketplace, if you click, then you can search over there, find, you can put PyDev. PyDev is the plugin for STS, plugin for Eclipse also, which provides facility to develop Python applications. Even if Python frameworks like Django, it has the same facility like any other Java application. You can debug, you can refactor, you can go for execution, you can go for developing the Django applications, implementing Django framework. So all the facilities are there. So once you search in the find box, you will type PyDev and go click on go. Then the first choice which you are going to find, that's PyDev Python IDE for Eclipse 7.6.0. That's what is the version available today. Means I am recording this video on 8th of August 2020. At this date, this Python version or PyDev version is available in Eclipse. So click on install. So depending upon your internet speed, it will be installed. So before installing, it will ask you the choices like do you need this Mylin integration or not. So I don't need this Python Mylin. I'll uncheck it, then continue. It should ask for the agreement. Yeah, so click on this I accept the terms and condition, license agreement, finish. Then it should download the PyDev. It will take some time based upon your internet speed, as I said. Yeah, so it's installed now. So you need to restart the STS. So restart, or if you are using Eclipse, there also you need to restart it. Then you can go for creating the project. So now once the PyDev is installed and Eclipse is restarted or STS is restarted, then you can go for creating the project. So for creating the project, click on File, New, go for Other, then under the PyDev you will be having different choices starting from Django to module, package, project. So today we are going to create PyDev project. Next, provide the project name. Suppose I will say my first Py project is the project name. Then grammar version, the latest one you can provide. Then interpreter. If you are not finding this interpreter in your machine, then below you will be finding a link. Click here to configure an interpreter not listed. So how would you like to add a new interpreter? Open interpreter preference page, create using PIP environment. So you can go for clicking on the open interpreter preference page. There you can choose the preference. But since I have this interpreter inbuilt in Mac, so that's why I am finding it over here. Then click on next. You do not need not to change anything except providing the project name and project type is Python. Grammar version is the latest one, 3.8. Interpreter is Python. Go for next. You need not to do anything else. Click on finish. Open the perspective. Open. So here you can see this is what my first Py project got created. Right click on it, new. You have to go for creating a package, Python package. That's the first thing you have to do while you are going for developing a Python project. So go for other, the PyDev package. So provide the package name, like suppose I will say pack1, finish. So by default the init file is going to be there, yes. So double underscore init double underscore py is the default file. Then click on the right click on the package name and new. You can go for PyDev module. So under the PyDev you will be finding PyDev module. Give the name, suppose I will say hello. Then click on finish. Need not to provide the extension as .py, automatically it will take. So you will choose this template. I don't want to choose anything out of this template. I will keep empty. Okay. Then few comment lines you will be finding like this. Now I will just go for print the all time famous hello. Hello PyDev developers. Again I will go for suppose print. I will write something else. Subscribe to continue. Okay, this much. So I'll save it. Then right click, run as. Python run. So here these are the two lines I got in the console window from this first Python project in STS. So like this you can continue with your own logic. So maybe in the next weekend we will go for some meaningful example. I hope we can start Python programming. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet.